Akkad, pakkad.
Children, today we will learn some cooking sentences. I am chopping fruits and vegetables. I am chopping fruits and vegetables. I am peeling cucumber. I am peeling cucumber. I am washing fruits and vegetables. I am washing fruits and vegetables. I am slicing brinjal. I am slicing brinjal. I am dicing potatoes. I am dicing potatoes. I am grating carrots. I am grating carrots. I am spreading jam. I am spreading jam. I am cutting bell pepper. I am cutting bell pepper. I am boiling eggs. I am boiling eggs. I am scrambling eggs. I am scrambling eggs. I am roasting chicken. I am roasting chicken. I am toasting bread. I am blending smoothie. I am blending smoothie. I am boiling milk. I am boiling milk. I am deep frying chips. I am deep frying chips. I am sieving the flour. I am sieving the flour. I am mincing the garlic. I am mincing the garlic. I am mashing the potatoes. I am mashing the potatoes. I am sprinkling salt. I am sprinkling salt. I am removing cream from milk. I am removing cream from milk. I am cleaning the dishes. I am cleaning the dishes. I am peeling the peas. I am peeling the peas. I am squeezing the lemon. I am squeezing the lemon. I am stirring the soup. I am stirring the soup. I am baking a cake. I am baking a cake. I am tasting the food. I am tasting the food. I am pouring wine. I am pouring wine. I am opening the jar. I am opening the jar. I am filling the jar. I am filling the jar. I am preserving food. I am preserving food. I am kneading dough. I am kneading dough. I am mixing drink. I am mixing drink. I am washing hands. I am washing hands. I am cracking eggs. I am cracking eggs. I am rolling the dough. I am rolling the dough. I am scooping an ice cream. I am scooping an ice cream. I am chopping garlic in a chopper. I am chopping garlic in a chopper. I am using a juicer. I am using a juicer. I am brewing coffee. I am brewing coffee. I am frying an egg. I am frying an egg. Bye bye children. Like, share and subscribe.